Hello everyone, we are going to solve 40 divided by 4 by 40 times 40. So there are multiple operations given, that is division, then 4 by 40, then multiplication. So it's very confusing from where to start. So we are going to use BODMAS rule that gives us the clear preference of the operation. So first we'll solve bracket, then of, then division, then multiplication, addition, and then subtraction. So we'll solve division. So if there is a term next to division, right hand side, so we can write in place of division, multiplication, and reciprocal the term. So reciprocal of 4 by 40 is 40 by 4 times 40. Now this we can write it as 40 times 40 times 40 by 4. If we divide it, we get 10 times 40 times 40. 10 times 40 is 400 times 40 is 16,000. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.